everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today I have come here with a recipe for the hair. I've been getting a lot of messages to make something for to control hair loss, for hair growth. There are a lot of women having this problem of hair fall. So I want to tell you all that I will be coming up with a more advanced shampoo for hair fall. I'm still working on it, formulating a very good recipe which will be really effective. But for now, I have come up with a hair mask which is going to be equally good if applied at least twice or thrice a week. You can apply this hair mask on your hair before you wash your hair, and this mask will help you with with the hair loss, as well as will help you have a good hair growth and keep your hair shiny and healthy. So we'll just get started with the making of this hair mask. For that, here I have taken my water. Now this is not full water. For this recipe I have used onion extract, which is extremely good for hair growth, and I have used aloe vera extract. They are in the liquid form, which is already added in the water. And here I have my stearic acid and emulsifying wax. This I will be melting this down. Here I have taken coconut oil, which is again very good for hair growth. So, and here for this clay mask, for the hair mask, we will be using a combination of Bentonite clay and Moroccan red clay. Again, these two clays are extremely good for hair growth, for to provide the nutrients that are required for to keep your hair healthy and shiny. And it also promotes good hair growth when used on regular basis. So let us start the making of this. First of all, we'll just heat this, we'll just melt down the emulsifying wax and the stearic acid. Okay, so here I am putting my oil that I have, the coconut oil, and this is the melted stearic acid and emulsifying wax. Okay, so here I have taken my oils and waxes, and for this hair mask I have also used stearic acid because of its smoothing properties. It is extremely softening and smoothing, and you will also see that effect when you use it on your hair. Okay, so now we will add this water to the oil. Again, this is more like how we make lotions. It's almost the same method, but here it will be a little thick because it is a mask, a hair mask. And now we'll just give it a blend. So here I have blended this, and we'll just try to keep it a little thick since it's a mask. Okay, so now I think this is enough thick here. The consistency is quite thick and nice, and this will thicken even further. And now we'll slowly start adding our clays to this. The proportion of the Moroccan red clay has to be a little less than the bentonite clay. So please keep that in mind. Please don't add more of the red clay. And just keep blending it. This is the bentonite clay. So I'm just giving this a mix with the spatula, and then I will again blend it with my blender. Okay, so here if you can see the consistency after adding the clay to this to the liquid that we had made. So this is like a thick mask consistency. I hope you can see it, how it just falls like this. And this you need to use, you need to apply it on your hair. Leave it for about 30 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes, and then you can wash your hair. So this is like a very soft mask that is ready here. Okay, so I am just filling this mask in the container now. I'll just show you all how the consistency is. It will be quite thick like this, and when you're putting your clay, you can adjust it according to the thickness that you want. Now if you want, generally the mask needs to be this consistency so that it stays on your hair and it doesn't fall off, you know, after applying. But if you wish to keep your consistency more thick or more thin, again that depends on your preference. But I generally like mine to be stiff like this, you know, it doesn't fall, so that it stays on the hair. And this is extremely, it has a extremely creamy feel on the skin. So friends, our clay mask is all ready, and I have got 2 jars of this clay mask. As I said that, you know, you need to apply this before you take a head bath, a shower. You just need to apply it for 30 minutes, keep it, and then you need to wash your hair. And please do try this out, especially people who are having a lot of hair fall issues, and they are having issues of hair growth. I'm sure this is going to definitely help you out. And in future I'm also going to come up with other shampoo recipes to prevent hair fall and for good growth of hair. Friends, also another thing which I had told you all in my previous video about my workshop that's coming up of cold processed soap. So again, I would like to let you all know that the dates are yet to be decided on, but whoever is interested in attending this 2-day workshop, for my subscribers who would share it with 10 of their other friends, relatives, anyone interested in beauty videos or the making of cold processed soap, they would get this 2-day workshop for $499 only. And for others, the workshop is for 1000 rupees. It's a 2-day workshop where we will be covering everything for the beginners into cold processed soap making, as well as 2 soap recipes and the making of the soap. So friends, if you like my video, if you like the recipes that I share, the different ideas that I share with you all, please do like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for all your love and support. Bye.